guys, just a quick little video. Today is 8. A couple of them are drinking water, figuring it out. And we're having a couple developments here. Her ears are getting closer. And her brother, I can't see him, he popped his ears just in the last couple hours. They
Hey,
just
Bumblebee,
went up.
come here. Look, let's see your
He
ears.
sees his mama. Look at him. His ears are up. Hey! Buddy. His ears are up. And Kobe almost had his up earlier. Look. Can you see? See, my ears are getting closer.
Getting ready to pop up.
And so is Mavis.
Yeah.
How cute. Pretty soon everybody's ears will be up. Oh, they put that little towel over. Yeah, I think that's your mama's.
Come on. Go up, let's go. You pop it
I'm gonna move this little towel. I'm not quite sure how they got it down. What are you doing, silly girl? Waddle. I'm not in there with you guys, so I can't really show you everything. Let's just look through here. Look. See, my ears are up.
Oh my gosh. So cute. Bumblebee, you look so cute.
He does. He looks like a different dog. Are you so proud? And Blueberry still has one official. Yeah, he just pottied right over there. I'm gonna see if I can climb in there. That's like my old lady body. Let me see. I need to pull this pad up where they ate it. Puppies! What's going on? Hey, little girl. Pretty soon. Where's Kobe? Pretty soon. Look and see. We're getting closer. Mavis. Raspberry's new name is Mavis. I don't know what I'm showing you, my leg. Okay. Trying to make you guys sick with these videos. And look, her ears are getting a little bent. She's been funny today. Hip hopping and just playing with herself, playing with other puppies. Hey, buddy. I've never seen one of these guys' ears just pop up. I mean, literally 2 hours ago they were sleeping and they were down and now they're up. So you can see from the back. Kobe's doing the same thing. What are you doing? Dexter's getting my shirt. We've got a little dog pile right here. That right there underneath is boysenberry. Under there. Blueberry. Dimbo. Hi, baby. Oh, he had his leg in the water. He's the happiest little guy. Look at him. He says, let's play. Let's rumble. You throwing your weight around there, buddy? Huh? Oh, she pooped out. He's a fat belly. Who's back here? I need to pull these pads up. Put this up here. They're doing great in every way. Oh, please. Oh, you just fell over, crazy woman. And her big eyes. Look at him, he's out cold. Oh. Are you jumping on him? Buddy, did she just jump on you? I'm just playing with the pad over there. Are you stuck on my leg? All I have to do is go like this. Boop. Go drink some water. I don't leave the water in here when I'm not in attendance here, when I'm not with them, because it does worry me that they would, okay, be nice, that they would fall in. So it's very supervised right now until I trust them a little more. Blueberry's actually teething on the bowl. What are you doing?
I'm looking at drinking.
I know, it's so cute. Thimble went into the thing.
Thimble.
There's all this dog food everywhere. You guys are messy eaters. You didn't clean up after yourself. Mavis? She's into my shirt. Mavis scraps, man. When it's time to eat, get out of her way. Boys are not. Oh, baby. They have on and off switches. It cracks me up. They're on and they're off. I know. Her ears are just so cute. Look at you, little one. Look at that face. Yes, Mavis, what are you doing? You're chewing my shoe? Is she drinking water or is she just looking in the bowl?
She's drinking water.
That's good for them. They need to dilute all that food they just ate. Ouch!
You just see Dexter running by. He's so cute.
Where is he?
He just.
This is Dexter.
Oh, that's not.
That's Blueberry. It's okay.
That's Blueberry. I'm sorry.
It's all right.
I'm getting better at the names. They change so quickly. Blueberry.
He's such a little squatty body. Look
He's
at his
so
little
cute.
body. I think we need to pull up these pads and put you guys on a clean surface now. Come here, Kobe. Kobe One Kenobi. That's what I call you. Is somebody pottying?
Yeah, Blueberry. Come on, Blueberry. You have a potty? Huh? Is that what you gonna do? Mister.
She's got you, Betty. Oh. He's throwing his weight around.
Come here. Hi, baby. Come here, Blueberry. Come on.
Who do you got over there, baby?
Hmm?
Who do you have?
I have Blueberry and Mary.
Oh, that's Mila.
That's Mila. Okay.
Yeah.
And then this is
Kobe.
Kobe. Sorry, Mila. Sorry, Kobe. I'm not with you guys like 24/7, so I just
Oh,
takes me a little bit.
you
to
knocked
get
her
you in
over. Crazy.
Hi, Mila. Hi, Kobe. Actually, what's up, buddy? I mean, this is Blueberry. What's up, baby? Doo-doo. Oh.
Look at him. He's making little sleepy sounds.
Hi, guys. Oh no. Hmm. Are you just playing, aren't you?
Mm-hmm.
Hi, baby. Oh, you're so cute.
What are you doing, little guy? Ouch. Their teeth are so sharp. Bob's sitting over there playing with them.
So.
Oh, I know. They just melt my heart, every one of them.
Hi, babies.
His one ear sticking up, it's hysterical.
Oh yeah, look at that.
He looks like he's half masked.
Oh, Terry got pie right there. Look.
I don't know if that's putty or somebody spit up.
Maybe just a little bit here.
Thank you, honey. I think somebody spit up.
Yeah, maybe just a little tiny bit. Hi, Mila. Hi, baby.
Her ears are getting closer.
Oh, are you trying to get me? Look at her. I don't got to kiss you. You give me my. Oh, you got those little teethies now. Oh,
Yeah, you gotta watch out.
Oh, I know.
They're sharp.
And she's quick.
She loves to play and she loves to be on your
Oh,
lap.
she loves
Like
to
she
play
wants
with
you to
you.
be touching her
She wants me
and
to play. Bumblebee, come here. Oh, you're gonna be rowdy with me. Come here, silly Willy. Holla, Bumblebee, holla, body.
I love his little wiggly body.
Oh, his wrinkles on his. Oh my gosh, his head wrinkles are just.
But look at it. Look at his wrinkles on his rear. When
I know he's got. Look at that.
he's already got muscles.
Yeah, he does. He's awesome. What's up, Kobe?
Okay, this is hysterical. She's fallen asleep with her head on the water bowl. That's why I don't leave.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Oh, that's hilarious.
That's why I don't leave the water bowl in here.
Oh, Kobe, are you gonna get me?
These two.
You're a handful. She's a player.
Yeah, she's a party hardy. Look at him. Look.
Play, don't you?
She's asleep in the with her head. That is
hilarious.
It's funny, but it's not because
Look at her, and she's starting to fade.
well, she does. She puts her little face in there, and she's. Hey, baby, we need to move away from the water bowl. As cute as that is, baby. Let's find you a better place to take a little nap, okay? Hi, sweetie. Sleepy? Okay, bear with me. I'm gonna walk you over here, and I'm gonna put her.
Oh, come over here, baby.
I gotta change their bedding here in a minute.
Let me just hold her a bit.
There she is. She had her little head on the water bowl sleeping. Mina.
Mila's crazy. She's
Oh, I love her.
she's hilarious. She's got spunky spunk. Look at her. She's like,
It's
Yeah,
these guys. Look at them.
yeah. They're playing. Like, look at her. Go, get me, height.
Get each other.
Bumblebee, there you go, buddy.
Look at her. She's looking at you. Look at her playing with you. Buttercream. It's Butters. What are you doing?
That's right. It's butters.
What are you doing, baby?
You're silly. You guys are silly. I love the reds. They're so pretty.
I know, me too.
Oh, I like all the colors. I mean, she's.
They think you're a puppy, honey.
Oh, I know they do.
It's like, hey, puppy, big puppy, play with us.
Yeah, play. Come on, let's play. Oh, rub your belly. Yeah, rub your belly. Play, huh? Oh, rub your back and your belly, yep.
This is all Tulip's litter right here.
Yeah.
Okay, don't bite her tail. That's not going to feel good.
God, it's just gorgeous.
Oh, my word, buddy.
She's got beautiful markings.
Oh, they're all beautiful. This is good for them.
Yes. Okay, nice and worn out. Let's sleep
Okay.
good that way.
And then over here,
Oh, you're
we have the
hilarious.
sleepy.
Bumblebee, you're funny.
Sleepy
Let's
game.
put this right here. You want to jump into bed? There you go.
We got some chores to do, puppy dogs. We need to clean up after yourselves.
You guys are silly. Come here.
The 7 little perfect angels. Look at
Come here,
them.
babies. Huh.
Hi, babies. Puppies. Puppies.
Oh.
What are
Butters,
you
you're so
doing?
cute. Oh.
Puppies.
She grabbed a hold of my ear.
Oh, ouch. Come here, guys.
Oh, you're silly. Oh my gosh. Bumblebee, you're hilarious. That's awesome.
Come here. Come see me.
You guys give me puppy kisses. Yes. Oh, I love them when they're the same. She's so fun. They're just got-
She's out. Mavis.
What's up, Blueberry? The Blues. Mila, you're hilarious. You're just a goer. She just wants to play.
She
Oh,
does.
she loves her belly rub. Oh my gosh, she's hilarious. Come on, Blueberry. What's up,
Oh, look
buddy?
at how cute. Colby.
Oh, she got my neck.
Colby. What's the matter? He always says this till he finds a comfortable place, he'll whine until he gets just right.
Oh, look how precious she
I
is.
know. And Blueberry found a happy spot. I'm gonna get him up off this pad. It has all the dog food on it. Okay, guys, video's getting kind of long, but I know you guys like to see your babies.
She is adorable.
I know, they all are.
Oh, every one of them, yeah, no doubt.
Hey, let me see your pretty face. Are you gonna get sleepy? She's gonna go find a place to lay down. You gonna lay down with your buddies? She says, I wore myself out.
Yeah. I was gonna say she was going.
He's not quite done. He
Oh,
rumbles.
he's going.
He's ready to rumble. Hey, ready to rumble. Oh, he's happy. Doesn't he remind you of Digger, honey?
Oh my gosh, so much.
Just with
like
that
her.
little happy
Well,
smile.
just his little face is so diggerish.
Your daddy. You look like your daddy.
What a personality.
I know. Happy, 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 happy. I'm so
look at
happy.
Blueberry, just boom, look here,
Oh, I know.
just gone. How cool.
Precious little pie.
Come here.
You just like plowed over him. Poor little guy. He's like, what is that?
What was that freight train that just hit me?
No.
It was the Bumblebee freight train.
It's okay, babies.
The
I'll guard
Bumblebee
her.
Express.
Oh, look at her. What do you think? She's trying it out.
Oh, babies.
I never leave, just so you guys know, I never leave the water in here at night or when I'm not here in the
Oh,
box
gosh,
with
no.
them. Because it's, if they fell in there and wouldn't be good. Or fell asleep. She's such an adventurous little girl.
Oh, you're going still. You're just like,
You
you're
ready
like
to come snuggle?
the Energizer Bunny.
Do you want to come snuggle? Hmm? He's like, everybody keeps bugging me. Have you noticed on the bottom of his feet?
Oh, look at his feet.
He has it on his front
Yeah.
feet. It's so cute.
Oh, look at this.
Oh, he's out.
Oh,
Boom,
he
boom,
just went-
out go the lights.
Just out goes the lights. He just boom. You know, it just hit him. Just, I'm done. I'm tired. Mila, are you tired, baby?
She is now. Butters is getting you.
Yeah, Butters is, she's still going. She's got the, she's going like that. You starting to fade there, baby?
Yeah, she is.
She's got to stagger like she's a drunk. It's like,
She's trying to find a place. Oh my goodness. Okay, well here's little Miss Mavis from the back. Let's see if I can roll her over. Hey baby girl, you want to roll over? There we go. Hi, she has little beauty.
Butters, you're like
Pretty
crazy.
balls.
Let me rub you in the belly. Oh, do you like that? Oh, yes, you like that. Look at this there. Butters likes that.
Oh, let me see.
Oh, you just like that, don't you, baby? She like your belly rub. Oh, that feels so good, doesn't it? Oh, you just get your feet moving. That's pretty fun, wasn't it? Everybody likes the
His
belly
nose
rub.
is filling
Just
in.
like the
They'll
belly
all
rub.
fill in black.
Get the belly rub, right?
Look at his ears twitching.
You're like crazy.
Little guy. His ears are cracking me up.
Who's that?
Boysenberry.
Oh, look Good boy, Samaritan.
They're twitching.
Look at his ears. You want to come up here, baby doll? You want to come up in this bed? There you go. Oh, there you go. Keep going.
Okay, she found her.
She found her happy place. There she goes. Nope.
What do you think? Oh, no, not quite.
Not quite.
Okay, I'll just give you a little close-up of a couple more of the puppies. Okay, Thimble sleeping.
Buttercream's starting to get ready to go.
Hey, pretty girl. You look sleepy.
Don't like poor little Blueberry. He's sleeping. He's sleeping.
Hmm. So when I have this video on her like this, she's so much darker in person. I mean, she's just black. It's beautiful, her coloring.
You can see that little bit of brindling too.
Mm-hmm.
It's amazing.
Okay. Here's Dexter. My little guy. Here we go. He's so tired. Sweet baby. Their mamas will nurse him in a couple hours. And they'll be down for the night. I wonder if he'll roll over for me. Although I hate to disturb him once he gets in his comfortable spot. He's very particular about where he lays. Okay, guys. Gonna clean up, change your pads. Turn out the light, let him sleep a little bit. We'll be back in a little bit to feed him. Have a great evening.